builderall is the all-in-one digital platform and has all the tools you will ever need to quickly and easily grow your business online. From a simple website to the most sophisticated sales funnel, builderall's final results are unbeatable. While our competitors are focusing on selling with automated systems, our software system is made for beginners and gurus alike. Your level of skill or experience doesn't matter. Builderall has all the tools and training to help you turn your vision for your business into a reality. It is easy and extremely fast and yet very professional. When you get happily involved with a builderall plan that suits your business, you will know that you have met the most up-to-date cutting-edge technology software. Builderall is proud to be the only platform in the world that gives you a free one-on-one call and follow-up with a builderall specialist. We will get you all the results you want with our builderall platform. While our competitors are focusing on selling with automated systems, we are focusing only on two things. One, to build a better product, the best digital marketing platform in the world, and two, offer an amazing customer experience. We also believe in underpricing and over-delivering, and builderall is proud to be the only platform in the world that gives you the help you need when you want it with 24/7 customer support with a builderall specialist. Now introducing the all-new Cheetah drag and drop website builder. It's never been easier to build beautiful and insanely fast pages. Build all your websites, pages, and funnels with our easy-to-use drag and drop builder with a huge template library. Also included in this all-in-one low pricing, a powerful built-in email autoresponder to stay in contact with your important customers. With our responsive technology, it makes it easy to edit the look and feel on any device. Sit back and watch your conversions skyrocket with insanely fast websites. We don't just do lightning-fast websites, we also provide over 35 other apps to help you explode your business online. With our powerful Canvas funnel builder, we have more than 20 ready-to-go high-converting sales funnels that can be edited and ready for use in just minutes. So what are you waiting for? Get your free 14-day trial today. You have nothing to lose, so check it out and explode your business online. Click the link below and start your digital business today.